Hey, are you a business leader and you need to talk to a lot of your team members every single day to get things done? Are you a speaker or a trainer where again you have to speak a lot every day to influence people? Then you will enjoy this video because I'm going to share with you one interesting tip of how you can influence others and communicate very clearly with one simple practice. Hey, my name is Murali Sundaram, popularly known as the Happiness Coach. Please press that like button, subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll always know when I'm uploading a new video. One day I just came to my office and I was talking to my team members and I'm talking to my colleagues, and every now and then I saw a mobile sound ringing. Okay, though I've asked all of them to put it in silent mode because it is a 2-hour meeting, and I heard that one alarm sound. Okay, every 30 minutes one alarm sound was coming. So I was more curious to know whose mobile was ringing. So one of my colleague, Magesh, immediately said, "Sir, I'm practicing one of your technique that you taught recently in the workshop." I asked, "What is the technique you're practicing?" Okay, he said that every 30 minutes I have put an alarm in my mobile. Okay, I just went to my alarm and I've scheduled every day and I've put one every half an hour for the alarm to ring. And I asked, "What is this alarm for and what are you doing?" He said something really interesting that I think everyone in the world, if you are a speaker, if you are a business leader and you are someone who is continuously talking to someone, we all must follow this one simple practice followed by Magesh in my office. Okay, what's a very simple practice? He every half an hour he puts an alarm in his mobile clock, okay, in mobile, and every 30 minutes when the alarm rings, he just does two simple things. Number one, he just stops doing whatever he is doing, okay, takes a nice, slow and deep breath and drinks water. That's it. It may sound very, very simple, but it has very profound experience within the whole body and the mind. Why? I don't know whether you're practicing this technique or not. This is a very, very important technique that all leaders and speakers must practice every single day. Why? Because if you have to get things done, obviously we need to speak a lot. And for that you need to have your communication chakra, the throat chakra has to be very active, and your oral muscles has to be really active, your tongue has to be active, so that every word you speak comes out clearly. And more than that, we are surrounded with too much of distractions, too many emotional loops are running, too many thought loops are running. So there is a very high possibility we don't even become aware that our body is getting dehydrated. Okay, so the number one reason why we need to drink water regularly is to hydrate the whole body first of all. Why? Because water is an universal solvent, a magic solvent which can hydrate the whole body, cleanse the whole body. And the more the water we drink, more toxins are also removed from the body. So you don't feel tired, you will not feel fatigued. That's number one. Okay, that we need to drink water continuously to hydrate the whole body, because sometimes in our busy meeting schedule we completely forget that we need to drink water. Okay, but drinking water alone can actually help you to stay more healthier. So every 30 minutes, okay, best way is put an alarm like Magesh and start drinking water. Okay, and the very important thing, you can add 2-3 more layers to it, is to add little bit of mental calmness with that same practice. You can stack up 2 more activities. Number one, before we drink water, just pause doing everything. Take one nice deep breath in. Feel the air going in and coming out. Okay, that relaxes your whole mind completely. And before you drink water, can you just chant one affirmation, a positive affirmation within yourself? Okay, that can bring a little bit of composure within your body and mind, and then you slowly and steadily drink water. That gives lot of emotional well-being also at the same time. So drinking water not only hydrates the whole body, removes all the toxins. When you do a little bit of stacking of 2-3 things of breathing slowly and deeply, it brings that little bit of mental poise, and chanting one positive affirmation can also bring in a little bit of emotional well-being also. This looks like a very, very simple practice, ladies and gentlemen, but this is one of the most profound practice. Throughout the day we can practice. If you can't do it for once in 30 minutes, put the alarm once in an hour, right? I believe that you deserve to take one breath right? Obviously, we are going to serve others in our family, in our friend circle, with our clients, with our colleagues. I think every 1 hour we can take one nice deep breath and drink water slowly and steadily with one mantra chanting. It can be anything, okay? Pick and choose your affirmation or mantra, but chant that mantra and then relax yourself. This is a very simple calming method also, centering yourself method also, which can help you to stay focused for the next 30 minutes or next 1 hour. If you find this technique is useful, go ahead, share this video to your business group and your family group so that all of them can become more healthier, happier, and energetic. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe button, and the bell notification icon so that you will always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching this video. This is Murali Sundaram, your happiness coach. Bye-bye.